Welcome to Bilingual Sutradhar. How does a writer do their work? Where do they come up with the stories? How do they find their characters? How do they decorate their characters with qualities, abilities, attributes? And what keeps their stories moving forward? What about their environment? How do they think about the politics? How do they think about the beauty in their environment, the challenges of day to day life? And how does that environment find its way into their work, into their stories, their novels, their plays, their screenwriting, all of these different mediums of writing? In Bilingual Sutradhar, I will be discussing writers specifically on their craft. I will be talking about different writers who I have learned from by reading about them, by watching their videos, or listening to them talk about their craft. If you are also someone who is a writer who enjoys learning about writers, then maybe you would like to join on this journey and share and also correct me if I'm wrong and other such things. So, the first writer I'm going to talk about is Premchand. Premchand is considered in India Sahitya Samrat, literature king, the king of literature. His short stories, his novels, his many writings have inspired several TV shows and films and many other mediums. Over the years, he has been the stalwart. He has been the person who has inspired writers of Hindi language. He used to write in Urdu script as well. And I came across a book of his called Kuch Vichar, Some Thoughts. And surprisingly, without my knowledge, I learned that this book is actually his book of speeches to the Writers' Society in the late 1800s and early 1900s. A very important part in Indian history. When India was still under the British rule, Premchand was doing his work and he was speaking to writers about his work, and he was directly speaking to them about his craft. And he was commenting on writers from different parts of the world. I found this book very fascinating, and myself, bilingual, speaking English and Hindi, I was very curious to translate this book, which was completely written in Hindi, into English. And I provided a link. You can download that book and read those speeches. It's free. And also, just full disclosure, I used Google Translate to do a lot of the translation. And surprisingly, there were many, many words that I could not find translations of. There is a list of those words as well available, which you can look up. Maybe you can help me find the meaning of those words. I looked in Shabdkosh, I looked in different dictionaries, I used Google, it didn't help. So, since I have said that this is a translation based on Google, you may draw your own judgment when you read it. By no means am I claiming to be a scholar of any kind. This was work done fully because I was curious. So now what I'm going to do with Bilingual Sutradhar is I'm going to take excerpts from those speeches of Premchand, and I'm going to discuss them separately in separate videos to discuss the craft, how he thought about writing, and how he thought about the impact of his writing and impact of society on his writing, impact of politics and language and other such things. And another ambitious thing I hope to do is also do the same video of the excerpts in Hindi, क्योंकि हिंदी मुझे पसंद है, क्योंकि हिंदी मेरी मातृभाषा है, क्योंकि हिंदी मैं भूलना नहीं चाहूँगी, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं हिंदी में बहुत कम बात करती हूँ. बिकॉज व्हेन यू लिव इन अ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री, you speak less of your own mother tongue if you don't have immediately, people who speak your mother tongue around you. तो मुझे हिंदी में बात करना और हिंदी में चीज़ें समझना और अपने आप को ये सांत्वना देना कि हाँ भाई, मैं हिंदी नहीं भूली हूँ और मैं हिंदी में कहानियाँ समझ सकती हूँ, हिंदी में शायद लिख भी सकती हूँ, यही सब है, एक प्रयास है. ये सब बाइलिंगुअल सूत्रधार के ज़रिए एक प्रयास है कि हम हिंदी इस तरह बोल पाएंगे कि हमें हर 2 मिनट पे वो शब्द ढूंढने की जो आदत हो गई है वो नहीं होगी. हम शब्द आसानी से बोल सकेंगे और हम दोनों इंग्लिश और हिंदी में बात कर सकेंगे. और आप अगर हिंदी बोलते हैं या इंग्लिश बोलते हैं या दोनों बोलते हैं या एक ही भाषा बोलते हैं, तो शायद अगर मैं वो 2 वीडियोस डालूंगी तो शायद आपको भी समझ में आएगा, आपको पसंद आएगा और आप शेयर कर पाएंगे, आप साझा कर पाएंगे कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगा और क्या किस किस बात से आपको आपत्ति है, प्लीज feel free to discuss, feel free to share, feel free to question. And this is a process of finding that conversation between us. So thank you and stay tuned for the first video.